What if 6 months from now you are enjoying your summer knowing without a doubt in your mind that you never had to return to your 9 to 5 again? What would your life look like if you were able to replace your income while working from home just a few hours a week? On October 24th, I'll be hosting a free workshop called The Number One Way to Start Working from Home, where I'll be teaching you the 5 P's you need to know in order to become a successful virtual assistant and work from home mom. I was able to quit teaching and replace my teaching income within 6 months with my newborn daughter by my side, and I've helped so many other amazing women quit their 9 to 5s and become a virtual assistant as well. In this workshop, you'll learn how you can use your skills to make a consistent income without having to go back to college and invest in a new degree. Now, there will be a replay available to those who register, so even if you can't make it live, you can still soak up all of the amazing information and get the answers to all of your questions. Make sure to register by October 24th at arianavernier.com/free-workshop, or you can find that link in the show notes. I cannot wait to see you there.